Hello everyone, welcome to Quan Masters. I'm Harshita Alveri. So today we have Santosh Kumar with us. He's from Tamil Nadu. So he's placed in TCS. Okay. So let's talk to him and get to know more about the job role, the package, the eligibility criteria, and also the entire interview process. Okay. Hi Santosh.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you?
I'm good. I'm good. So, firstly, I would like to congratulate you on getting placed in TCS with such an amazing package and job role, Santosh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So, we are making this video to help students, okay, who are trying to get placed in TCS. Yes. So,
Yes, ma'am.
it would be really
Yes, ma'am.
helpful for them if you could share your experience with them. Yes. So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
you could tell
Yes,
is
ma'am.
you could tell the entire interview process, how many rounds were there, what questions were asked in each round, questions from which topics were asked, everything in detail. Please tell everything in detail.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Let's
Yeah,
start.
ma'am.
First, from which branch are you, Santosh?
I'm from Electronics and
Okay, you're from
Communication,
ECE. Which
EC,
college?
Welltech University
Okay.
from Tamil Nadu. I am from Odisha. I completed my BTech in
Okay,
Tamil
so
Nadu.
you're basically from Orissa. Okay, okay. Super, super,
Yes,
super.
ma'am.
Yes, let's start. Tell about the interview process, Santosh.
Yeah, first of all, we'll start from the interview itself, ma'am. On the day, first of the thing, the documents which we required before going to interview is definitely
No,
they will
tell
ask
about
you.
the job role. No, start from the job role, the
Okay,
eligibility
job role.
criteria. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, coming to the job role, we are having some different job roles based on the interviews performance. They will give different job roles. Not everyone will get the same one.
Okay.
And
Okay.
as from my interview experience, they have given me the assistant system engineer, and they have mentioned that I will be the part of application and development and maintenance, and with the package of 3.36 per annum.
Super, super. Yeah.
Okay.
Then what
And
was the eligibility criteria?
eligibility criteria is throughout we have to maintain 60%. 10th
60%.
inter and BTech all.
Okay, okay. Yes. So how many rounds were there in the selection process?
The selection process, the interview will be total. The interview will be only in one round. All TR, MR, and HR, all the three panel members will be taken in the only one round itself. There will be no separate. All the three members will be taken only one time itself.
Okay, so you had taken up TCS NQT initially.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after clearing TCS NQT, then you are
The
telling about
interview,
the second round.
second round.
Okay.
The first round we'll have five sections. Those are aptitude, logical reasoning, and verbal. And there will be some of the interview, some of the basic questions like programming basic questions, what we know, and
Okay.
there will be two programming questions also, which we have
Okay.
to write it. And coming to the verbal, we'll have it 24 questions around.
So you had 5 sections in the first round,
Yes,
correct?
yes, ma'am. First exam, in the exam pattern
First,
itself, we'll have a 5 round.
okay, so tell about the first section.
In the first section, we'll have a verbal, and it will contain 24 questions, ma'am, and we will be getting 30 minutes. And in the
Okay.
my point of view, what I say that if there will be some passages like there will be passages and they will be clumsy, it will take more time to read.
Correct.
They will be framed like it will not be in the simple English language that we can understand by reading itself. They
Complicated
will be
words.
planned everything, and so by the point in this way, we should not use more time to read. And here we can see we will get 24 questions in 30 minutes itself. There will be no time limit. So we have to read the sum of the sentences. First, we have to read the questions what they have asked. According to the question, we have to read the passage and we have to maintain the time and we have to complete it.
Correct.
And yes, ma'am.
Then what?
And coming to
The other
coming to the
questions like
topics,
yeah,
to the topics in the verbal, there will be like synonyms and antonyms, and these are also not such a easy. We have to read some of the dictionaries. We should have a habit of reading some dictionaries so that it will be easy to find out those names.
So those were
To
all
find it,
complicated
and
words.
they're complicated. Some of them easy, but some maximum of them will be difficult itself. And some of the passage jumbling will be there. We have to arrange them, and we will have an error identification. What is they will give some sentence, so we have to find that error, and there will be options. We have to choose which one will be fitted to error.
Okay.
And there will be some tenses. They will give some sentence, and they'll ask that sentence. This is whatever. What is this and all. and
Mhm.
there will be some spelling mistakes will be there, and we have to arrange them. This will be so much of easy. Spelling mistakes
Okay.
won't be so much of difficult, and the answers we will be reading from the school itself, so it will be easy on.
Okay. Okay. So overall, how was what was the difficulty level of first section, the verbal part?
Verbal, except leaving the passage readings, though maximum of the students, the mistake they will do is they read all the passages, they won't
Mm.
understand. Again, they will come to first, and again they will waste the time here itself. So
Correct.
I will suggest that not to do this one. Similar, first read the questions and what they are asking. In the questions itself, the answer will be hidden in the sentences. So you
Mm.
have to read and you have to accept that. Rest of all will be easy on this.
Okay. So with this trick, you could solve the questions.
Yeah, yeah.
So time was sufficient for you for the first.
Time is sufficient if you follow this one.
If you
If you
follow
read
this,
on sitting by sentences, it won't be
time will not be sufficient because all
Yes.
complicated words were used.
all the complicated.
Okay. Okay. So okay, fine. Then the next section.
Next section will be logical. Logical. Here we'll have some of the here we can find not such a difficult questions. Here we'll
Okay.
having sitting arrangements. They will be giving some names of ABCD. They're sitting north. East. Just these are the basic general questions we can get in practice itself. Just the
Okay.
names will be changing, but everything will be easy itself.
So
And
what
coming to the blood
questions from
relations.
which topics were asked in the logical section?
Here the topics, some of the topics are sitting arrangement, blood relations, letter series,
Okay.
and some of the paper cuts and paper foldings. How many folds we can do?
Non-verbal reasoning. Correct.
These kind
Yeah.
of questions will be asked. And
Oh.
coming to the blood relations here, they'll it will be some near distance only relation, but they will
Okay.
make it as a circle one, and they'll try to confuse that here the brother and sister, their uncle, auntie, everyone will come in the middle. These are unnecessary. There will be a direct graph itself, but they will make us to confuse to read these all relations and make us to waste our time.
Okay.
Those plans, but we have to do our plans and we have to write back.
So how many questions were there in the second section?
The second section we'll have 30 questions.
30 questions, and the time given was
50 minutes. Here the time is more sufficient. Here
okay, you had
there is so much
plenty
of
of
time will be left, but
Mm.
here some of my friends also done the mistake. We will talk later.
Okay, okay. So you could answer it easily
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
given
ma'am.
time. No
Yeah, ma'am.
issues with the time.
No, nothing.
Even the
But we have to
questions
do
were,
some of the practice before going to.
okay. Even the questions were like okay, not so difficult,
Okay.
not so
Yes.
difficult, not so easy types. Okay, okay.
It is just like a time pass, whatever we are doing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Then the next section.
Next section will be aptitude, ma'am. Here we will get 26 questions in 40 minutes.
26 questions, 40 minutes. Okay.
40
Quantitative
minutes.
aptitude, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
Here, I should thank to Himanshu Sharma sir so much, because before I have to do the percentage by keeping the formulas, everything I have to do. But when sir's videos I have seen from the YouTube, some of the tricks he will say, within seconds, in the fraction of seconds, he has to solve. These are things for keeping the practice. I cannot do all the time by sitting in the class. Just for the time pass and to make some of my friends to get knowledge, what I do, so by unnecessarily I will ask some of my friends, if you get this much of amount, by how much if you take the percentage, how much you can say. Let's play how fast we can say each other. Some of my friends also played in TCS. With both of them, we have to play. It's like playing the game. We have to play this percentage.
So whenever you were free, used to do this.
But every time we cannot see the sitting in the classroom and we cannot write it and we can. So this is the play, like a game we have to play. And here we have some of the topics like percentages, work and time, profit and loss, probabilities, clocks and calendars, graphs, ages, this kind of.
So all the topics were covered. Questions from compound interest, time, speed, distance were asked.
Yes.
Train.
No, simple interest. I may get a simple interest.
Okay, you got question from simple interest.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So what was the level of questions?
Level of questions is nothing so much of difficult, we can say, in the medium. But here, somewhat we have to use our mind. We should not use the pen and paper for the whole time, and we can get answer in the both ways. But we have to take less time and we have to solve more problems here. That is what they are conducting. So here we use some of the tricks and we have to follow.
So how many questions in total were there in section 3?
In section 3, there will be 26 questions.
26 questions, and the time given was?
26 questions in 50 minutes.
50 minutes. So here also you had
40 minutes.
40
40
minutes.
minutes. It will be so much of easy.
So you
No
had
need to
more
worry.
than 1 minute for each question.
Yeah. First of all, only in the verbal itself, it will take some of the time. And the first one it takes more time, they'll get confused. Oh, we cannot write it or not. But it don't worry. If you cannot get it in the verbal, you can cover those in logical and aptitude. Don't worry that oh, I forgot to answer those answers, so I cannot able to get it. No need to worry in that. You can
You
cover
can
those in
score in
logical and aptitude. At the final, you can come to verbal, because there will be no negative marking. If you want to do some guess, so you can do it.
Okay, fine. So even in the quantitative part, the time was sufficient and the questions were also quite easy, not so difficult. You could answer
Not so much.
everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, fine. Then the next round, section?
The next round will be some of the questions like from programming, from data structures, C and all. Some of the fill in the blanks are like there will be some of the choices.
Okay.
There will be
MCQs
not
basically
such a
MCQs were asked, right?
Yeah, ma'am. There will be only just 10 questions only, 15 minutes. It will be very easy.
Basic concepts. Questions from basic concepts were asked.
And oops only they will ask me. Oops also they will ask.
Okay.
These all oops concept. Before I don't know nothing about oops. From the interview experiences of before they have taken MNC semester, I have taken some of the interview experiences. From there I learned that they're asking oops also.
Okay,
so they won't go to any depth. Only just some of the basic 4 to 5 definitions will be there. Some of those definitions we have.
Okay. Nice. Oh, so this was also easy for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the next section.
Then the next section will be coding round. There will be 2 questions they will give, and 1 question they will take for 15 minutes, and another one will be 30 minutes. Here, from the time itself, we can know the level of why they are given 15 and 30. So if I'm coming to the second question, it will be somewhat difficult.
Okay.
And nothing to worry, but we are coming to the question, and while we are writing it, some of the logic we have to apply.
Okay. So first question they had given you 15 minutes, and the second question they had given you 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
The second question was quite complicated when compared to the first.
And because I feel that it is complicated because we are not so familiar with codings and all from electronics.
Oh, you are from ECE, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Only from first year we learned some of the basics of C. That's it.
Correct.
And coming in the lockdown itself, I learned some of the C, and I developed C, and some of the data structures I have learned. So I feel that it is difficult. So by seeing this video, don't feel that everyone feels difficult.
Okay. So first, what was the first question? Do you remember? Coding question.
Yeah, by this one, when you said, I thought to get it back, but I cannot get it this question.
You don't remember exactly.
Yes.
So, but do you remember the level? Like, were you able to do?
Yeah, able to do it. Then nothing worry that they will give. They won't give to some of the developers level. They won't give questions to do it. They will give as a student level, but they'll make to confuse us by giving some sample inputs and outputs.
Okay.
They will make us.
So you could do both the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this was all about the first round.
First round, the exam part.
Okay. When was this conducted, Santosh?
This was conducted in November 11th.
November 11th, 2020.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. So when did you get to know the results?
And I got this examination pass result on December 3rd.
Okay. December 3rd, you got to know that you have cleared the first round.
I cleared the exam, and in the day itself, I got the mail that I have an interview on December 13th.
December 13th, you have second round, correct?
That will be second round.
Okay, so the total interview process had only 2 rounds, no? You told initially.
Only in one time only they will take all the HR, MR, PR, everyone.
Okay, so December 13th was your interview.
On December 13th, I got that mail that I have an interview, and the day itself, the interview was done. You have to wait, ma'am. And no one has to keep calm and rest. They will give mails for us before 5 days, and all we can do. We can see.
Okay, so you
in
got
the night itself.
Yeah.
Before night itself, they're sending like in that midnight. They will send like 1 a.m. 2 a.m. They will send at the morning. We have to check every day. We have to check at any time it comes.
So you did not have time for preparations.
Yeah.
Morning you got to know that
you videos, but I did not start preparing. Yeah.
Okay. So morning you got to know that you are selected, and the same day you had the interview.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Tell me about the second round.
Coming to second one, in the interview mail only, they will say, give us some of the instructions, what the document we have to carry with us before going to
Okay.
interview. Even in the interview, online virtual also, they'll ask us to show the Aadhaar card.
Okay.
Without going to Aadhaar card, they were not allowed to continue the interview itself.
Okay.
They'll
So
show
you are
Aadhaar
asked
card
to
first.
get the Aadhaar card. Yeah.
Aadhaar card, it is mandatory to carry with us.
Okay. Okay.
And
So on which
yeah,
platform was this conducted, Santosh?
it was conducted in Cisco WebEx.
Cisco WebEx. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Tell me. So how many panel members were there?
Three panel members were there.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Anything else was asked? Only Aadhaar card you need to.
Only our Aadhaar cards.
Okay. Okay. Yes. What did they ask?
Yeah, first coming to HR, we cannot able to see all of them, but some of them were going to on the cameras, but some of them are not going to on the cameras.
Okay. So all the three were not switching on their camera.
Only first time when the HR came, he asked to show me the Aadhaar card. At that
Mhm.
time, he on the camera. While I saw the Aadhaar card, he have taken some of the screenshots or somewhere, and
Okay.
he also off the camera. And he asked me to one long question that introduce yourself, tell me about your family background, and whatever you have done in the school. All the things he have asked me in the one single question itself.
Okay. One shot he asked all the questions.
Yes, all the questions. Then I
Okay.
said everything, and here also I have pointed some of the points which was given by the Himanshu Sharma sir, that here we have to say them that we are adaptive in any culture, we have to adapt in any environment at all. By
Yes.
this one, before seeing these videos, I have made myself one other answer that here by unknowingly I have done by here I have completed my 10th in Odisha, intermediate in Andhra Pradesh, and completed my engineering in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Unfortunately, it was happened. But this one I have made it there. But by knowing only, by fortunately I have done this. I said to sir that, sir, I can adapt in any environment, and I want to
Okay.
join
Okay.
some of my new culture friends also. So similarly, I planned my education career in the stepwise Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu, and all some of the stuffs I have added extra.
So this way you told that you are adaptable
Yeah.
to any place. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Super.
The
Super.
example I said unexpected it has done, but with example I said.
Okay. Nice. Nice. So
Only one
then,
question he asked, and he said that I have done with myself. I'm hand over into technical madam.
okay.
Yeah, ma'am came and she asked that Santosh, as we have seen in your resume, I have mentioned that I have some of the basic knowledge in C and data structures.
Okay.
That is what she said. There will nothing asked in the outside. Only whatever the resume, whatever the mentioning, that one will be asked. Before while some of my brothers-in-laws, those resumes I have seen, they are working in so much of experience. They have written in their resumes. They know these kind of languages and stuff. That I also like to write that I know C, SQL, Python, Java, everything I have to mention for the name itself I have to mention. So, but some of my friends say that you should not mention in this way, because if you whatever you mention, they will definitely ask though. So don't. This is not a game. So at that time, I removed whatever I don't know, and I kept only C and data structures. Some of them I know, some of them by not knowing only, they'll add some of the just for example, in our college we can see we have taken institute elective as a one subject as a Python. We have learned some of the basic itself. It won't work for the interviews all. It will be taken. So by reading only Python, so I can add it Python. This kind of work they won't work in the resume.
We shouldn't do whatever you know thoroughly.
Whatever you know,
the
know also whatever they ask, you should not say that I don't know and all. You should manage. At least you should manage. Then itself you have to mention in the resume. Without knowing anything, just we have completed one course, we'll write it. These kind of games won't work.
That shouldn't be done. Okay. So questions from CSS and data structures were only asked.
Only from those itself we asked. Some of the basic questions only definitions, because I don't know why they don't went to depth also, because I mentioned before itself we are from electronics and background itself. So by seeing that, I think they only came into definitions itself.
Okay, they only asked
some of the basic questions only they asked. At least like I think 10 to 15 questions they asked.
Okay, they asked for 10 to 15. They asked 10 to 15 questions.
10 to 15 questions only for definitions.
All were definitions.
All were like some are written by some of the questions also. What you consider types of trees, define linked list, difference between null and void. What is the difference between printf and scanf? But these are the basic difference between loop and while loop. What is an array? Call by value and call by reference. What
Okay.
is your point? These kind of questions only.
All basic questions. Only
All
definitions
basic
we
questions.
asked.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. So you could answer all the questions.
All the questions I have answered.
Super. 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 Then what else was asked?
And then my man also said that okay, I have done with myself sometimes. I am hand over to MR manager.
Manager. Okay. Then what did he
here
ask?
manager round sir came and first of all he asked me only one question. Sometimes as you said to HR that you are adaptive in any environment. You are
Okay.
completed 10th in Odisha, intermediate in Andhra and Tamil Nadu engineering. Can't you stay in a single place for a long time? If you give a role in somewhere in Hyderabad somewhere, we have to move you to somewhere for every year. This kind of work won't happen in cases. He said directly. Sir, then I said that here some of my friends also asked me that how you have managed here. No one will think that this kind of reverse questions will come to us.
Correct. Yeah.
Then I don't know why suddenly I came to my mind that sir here I did not do by enjoying and all. This is here for example 10th we have to complete all that until the 10th we have to stay in one school. For and coming to intermediate 2 years we have to stay in the same environment. We have to know whatever the people there, whatever they are doing, how they are behaving, how they will receive us. These kind of things we have to learn in 2 years. By completing intermediate for 1 year, we have to stay in Andhra Pradesh. 1 year, I will go to Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. So what won't happen, sir? The 2 years, I will stay there. And coming to 4 years of BTech, I stood there and I completed my BTech. And this is the way we have to do, sir. We are not going to family party at all. We can move there and there. I said.
Okay.
Then another question he asked me that. Santosh, as you said that you know about only basics of C and data structures, except not resuming whatever not mentioned in the resume. Do you know any other courses? Then I said, as I know before itself, some of the questions were asking. So I only basic definitions, only 5 definitions are they are asking. Then I said that yes sir, I know about OOPS because the 5 definitions I prepared also. It will be somewhat, it will be helpful for me that they know about as a EC student, he also learned some of the OOPS. Whatever because they are asking OOPS because they want somewhere some of the students who knows OOPS. I thought in that way. So I thought they asked me 3 definitions, whatever they said in the 5, they asked me 3 and I have done with my interview. That
Okay.
Again, I'm sorry, and finally, and again HR came. And HR came and HR sir asked me that, yeah, Santosh, do you want to ask us anything from your side? This is the what plays the key role. And what Himanshu sir also said, here in the intro, it will make your interview or break your interview, sir says. This is the line what sir says. Here before a year coming to TCS, I given for a mind tree and all. But there I don't know that when they ask us, do you want to ask us anything? Then I said, no, sir. Before I don't know that here it will give the minus that they will think that, oh, you are not much interested to know about business. You are not much interested to join whatever the company it is. So we have to prepare at least.
Plays an important role. Correct.
Yes, ma'am. It will play some of the important role. So I asked that, sir, before as a manager round, sir asked me without the subjects which are not mentioned in the resume, what you know extra from that. So before coming to TCS, should I learn any other courses? I itself made that when before coming to TCS, I have given I given my job. Before coming to TCS, I should learn something.
Yes,
so they said that no need to worry about anything about now, sir. Before joining itself, we will give training and all. Whatever we need, we will give training according to that. So, okay, sir, thank you, I said. And here, before they leave, you should not leave. Okay, you are getting red button. Some of my friends have done that.
Okay.
Here we are getting, okay, my interview is done. HR said to leave, we can leave. Here we should not do. The 3, first of all, them should go. Then after we can go. No need to, there is no work to go.
You shouldn't be in a hurry. You should wait for all the HRs to leave.
There itself, they can say that they will think in another way. See
okay, if you are interested or not, actually interested.
And here also, they asked me to wait for 15 minutes. I don't know they are asking for how I can stay or not, or I don't, for what reason they asked me to stay.
After the interview, they asked you to wait for 15 minutes.
Not before joining the interview. I am waiting for 15 minutes until they come.
Okay. So before the start of the interview, they have made you wait for 15 minutes. Okay.
Yes,
so
here
what was the duration of the interview?
Ma'am?
What was the total duration of the interview, Santosh?
45 minutes.
45 minutes. Totally, it took you 45 minutes for the second round.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So obviously, so many questions were asked, right? Yeah, correct.
And they're also not going like hurry. They're going just step by step. There will be
Slowly.
not much questions from my. They're not
Mhm.
asking me, but it will be taken 45 minutes. When I seen the time, I also got so this much of time. What they asked, what I have done, but without
Okay.
knowing itself, it will be completed. They
Nice.
will go each and step by step. If you don't know or if you are unable to answer, they will not
Mm.
say that. Some of the friends, what they say, oh, I don't know this. If before I say sorry, I don't know, sir, they'll feel like that the student don't know anything. We should reject it. No, they
Mhm.
won't see, but they won't judge you for a single question. They'll ask you
Okay.
some questions. They will ask you the sitting posture of your sitting. They'll see everything. So you
Mm.
have to maintain all and you have to prepare for it.
Okay. Super. So would you like to suggest or give any tips to your friends who are trying to get placed in TCS, Santosh?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I want to here. I want to say some of my friends what they've experienced. Here coming to the interview. One of my friend was given his interview and everything he has done, and he asked some other questions. He was unable to answer and all. At last, HR came and said him that his name is Pawan. Pawan, you have to prepare well. You prepare well for the next company, whichever it comes, and do well. All the best, he said, and he left.
Okay.
Then everyone will think that okay, TCS is done. I cannot able to join. But coming to while joining letters and all, we got joining us. Here
Okay,
we cannot.
selected finally.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. We cannot say that how they are taking the students also. Here
Mm.
the direct in the face itself, he said you have to prepare well for the next company, but he got the joining letters and all. Here
Okay.
after completing the interview, also some of them will go to depressed. So I have not done prepare well. So this kind of activities we should not.
Not necessary.
Not
Correct. Yeah.
And
So
another of my friend is here we can say we are having a lot of time in coming to the logical and aptitude. Here, one of my friend has done is he is having so much of time. He left out the laptop there. They thought that the camera is not recording and all. He left out the camera and he went to drink water and he came. While he
oh,
came, the exam has been stopped. So some of them will think that the camera is not on. Yes, they will say for the namesake itself, no need to worry. But here they are observing everything. He was
they
not there
are,
for 5 minutes at least. So they have stopped the cameras and the exam also cancelled. So these
oh,
kind of activities we should not do. And while coming to the sitting posture, I myself itself, I am not sitting properly and I raising my legs and all, rotating my bodies and all.
okay.
So I got a warning also. Please sit properly and all.
Oh, okay. So
Everything
they're
will be
continuously
observed.
observing.
Everything will be observed. They'll
Okay.
think that class of students are writing. No one will see us. These kind of things we should not.
Okay. So anything else you want to tell your students, your friends?
Nothing. I have said my entire experience. Some of my friends also have said. No need to
Okay.
worry everything. And just I prefer, but I before coming to myself, I don't know. Before attend to TCS, I don't know about Quant Masters. Just while YouTube scroll, I've seen one of the video, and from there itself, I followed the video series. Just
Okay.
by seeing the video series itself, I cracked my interview. I can say proudly. If you join in the Quant Masters, you will definitely you can crack it, and you can not only in the thesis, you can write it anything. You can write
Any
easily. And
company. Okay. Super. So initially you didn't know about the Coin
yes,
Masters.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So after giving the first
By
round, you
some of
got to
the
know about the Coin Masters, correct?
ma'am.
So after the first round, you got to know about the Coin Masters, correct? That's what you
Yes,
told,
ma'am. Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
From then you
If I
started
if I
following.
unable to crack it, so I have to join. I thought I have to join, but it is completed. But
Okay,
I
okay.
suggest my
Not if
friends that
you're
not whatever the mistake I have done, my friends should not. Uh, I don't know that similar. Unfortunately, I've seen the video and I've followed that series. But I don't suggest my friends to do like similar me. They have to join in the classes and they have,
okay.
not
So
everyone will do it
you mean to
easily.
tell you just
Join in
follow us
the
on
content.
YouTube? Okay.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
want your friends to join Coin Masters course. So, okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
thank you. Okay. So, what were you telling? You told if you are not able to get into TCS, then you had decided you'll be joining
Yes,
Coin Masters,
yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. But it is clear.
Fortunately, you got placed just by following the videos on YouTube.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Super. Okay, then Santosh, thanks for sharing your interview experience. Your information is very valuable. I really think students who are watching this video will find it very useful.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations once again. All the very best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anybody else who is wishing to share your interview experience with us, please use the link given in the description. Thank you.